Hi, boys and girls. Do you remember when we read Don't Let the Pigeon Stay Up Late? Inside the book, when the pigeon was dreaming of a hot dog party. Today, we are going to read the story, The Pigeon Finds a Hot Dog. Remember, Mo Willems has written all of the pigeon books, and he has written this one as well. The pigeon finds a hot dog. Oh, a hot dog! Yummy! 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 Ah, may I help you? He's looking at the duckling, and the duckling says, "Scooty, scoot, scoot." Is that a hot dog? Not a hot dog, my hot dog. Ah, I have a question. I've never had a hot dog before. What do they taste like? Well, they are a taste sensation. Each morsel is a joy, a celebration in a bun. If you've never experienced the splendor of a hot dog, you should really wait a second. This hot dog is mine. I found it. Of course. Enjoy. Go ahead. Ah, would you say that it tastes like chicken? Can you believe this guy? What? It just tastes like a hot dog, okay? Okay. So it doesn't taste like chicken then? Oh, for Pete's sake. Hey, I'm curious. Hey, I'm a curious bird. That's it! It's my hot dog, right? Mine. This is unbelievable. Finders keepers is what I say. I'm a curious bird. What do they taste like? Blah, blah, blah. I can't take it anymore. Yeah, right. What am I supposed to do? I think I've got an idea. Boys and girls, I want you to stop and think. What do you think the duckling's idea is? You know, you're pretty smart for a duckling. Needs mustard. The end. I hope you enjoyed The Pigeon Finds a Hot Dog.